Welcome back to my YouTube channel Epic Engineering. Today we will discuss about AutoGate control logic using PLC logic. We have already configured hardware. First we will open logs. Now I will open AutoLogic. We already written ladder logic. So first we will discuss about the control philosophy and IO list, which is we used in logic. So it will easy to understand how automatic gate will work. This is AutoGate or door control philosophy with IO list. So first is objective. Automatically open and close the gate or door based on vehicle and person detection safety checks. Then this is the objective. First we will understand IO list assignment, in which we have used in logic. Here we have push buttons, limit switch, sensors, etc. First one is I0.0 is defined for entry sensor, I0.1 is exit sensor, and so on. We have defined as I0.1 I1.1 for auto manual selection. We have defined all inputs with IO address, which I0.7 is gate fully open limit switch and I1.0 is gate fully closed limit switch. It is feedback from limit switch in both open and closed condition. When the door is closed, then closed limit switch send a feedback the status of door. Now we will talk about digital output. We have 5 digital outputs, which is Q0.0 to Q0.4. First one is gate open motor command, gate closed motor command, gate status open indicator and gate status closed indicator. Final last one is alarm or buzzer. All these are digital outputs. So this is I0.0 and this is limit switch feedback and other is interlocks. We have taken a internal memory bit for open command and close command in manual and same in auto condition. Now we will perform logic. First we will put in manual mode. Now the manual operation selected and all other interlocks are healthy. Now we will go press push button momentarily for open command. Now we have pressed. Now open command is high. Manual open command is high. When door will open fully, then gate fully open limit switch will give feedback. It is interlock. Now we will press I0.7. Now manual open command is released. Now we will press close push button manually. Now close command is high. Because once the close command is high, then the open gate limit switch signal will also get low. Once the gate fully closed, then gate fully closed limit switch command will get high, and the manual close command will go. Now we will test auto logic. First, we have to select auto manual selection. Now we will select the auto mode and all other interlocks are healthy. When sensor sense the presence of object like vehicle or person, and so open command will get high in auto sequence. Once the entry sensor sense vehicle or person. Once the okay, now the close limit switch will get low because now we have generated logic. Again, when door fully closed and sensor will get low, entry sensor also get low. Car entered or person entered in gate, this is safety sensor. If any vehicle optical, so I0.7 is feedback from limit switch. When safety sensor is high, now we will perform this safety sensor. Now it is in high condition, in sense condition, and limit switch also in sense condition. When both the conditions will meet, then timer will start. Because since safety sensor will high, it means there is something in between gate. Then it will open or open and it will catch, and automatic close command will high till gate fully close command. Now all these are indication, and gate fully close and close indication will high, and gate fully open command will high. This is motor open command. We have generated two internal bits, memory bits. One is manual open, another is auto open. So whichever command will high, open command will high. Same for close command, motor close command. Two internal bits and Q0.1 is output bit or digital output.